Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by duplicating the background and working on a copy so pixels stay safe. Next, zoom to 100% and mark the brightest reflection hotspots with a small brush on a new layer. Use the spot healing brush or clone stamp set to sample all layers to rough out shapes. This removes strong glare while preserving underlying skin. Once done, reduce opacity of corrections to blend and add a subtle Gaussian blur if edges look too sharp. You now refine texture and color using frequency separation, so you separate fine detail from tone. On the high-frequency layer, clone or heal only the reflection edges to keep skin texture intact. Sample nearby clean areas. On the low-frequency layer, use a mixer brush or gentle Gaussian blur to even out color and brightness where reflections altered tones. Once done, toggle the layers on and off to check natural look. Make micro-adjustments with a soft-edged brush to maintain depth. You finish by creating a stamped layer and apply curves or levels to match global contrast, so the glasses area reads naturally. Then use subtle dodge and burn to rebuild highlights and shadows lost during cleanup. Keep strokes low opacity. Once done, sharpen selectively or apply noise to match surrounding grain. If you see ghosting or color fringing, Content-Aware fills small areas and resample neighboring pixels, then refine with clone stamp. That one fix usually.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.